Hey guys, Coach here. I just received a direct message from one of our members, Mike, and he's been here since the beginning. And there's other members that's been here since the very beginning too. And he is probably has been and probably always will be the most active because I think he literally trades a couple hours almost every day, and he has the ability to do that. And so out of all of the people that's in our Slack group, there's probably about 15 people that are trading at different levels. Some every day, some one day a week. Some are just paper trading. Some are trading live accounts. I've got 3 right now that's not doing any trading. They're just testing the process. So if you're in any of those stages, right, paper trading, which means you've graduated from strategy psychology course, but you're not ready to pull the trigger on funds, or you've traded live funds in the past, right? But now, because of whatever, your job, time of year, employment status, whatever, you're not trading money, you're still practicing. Please share those results because just like 10 years ago, 12 years ago, 5 years ago, when you guys were, and we were active, right? Like I was giving signals and we were extremely active, and we had somewhere between as small as one person in here with me to 47 people one day, right? And so the average got to be where it was around 20. Then the average was around 15. And I think when we finally shut it down, it was like 7 of us that were always here at the same time engaged. Things change, right? So based on where you're at, you'll be doing different things. So I'm asking if Mike, when you trade, share your results daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, just like we've always done. Jen, Jesus, Neville, Scott, Mike, Lisa. I'm missing people. I know them. Daryl, Todd, anybody that has taken the strategy psychology course, right? Share your results. If you're paper trading, just say I'm paper trading. I'm not on a live account. But adding these results, the more people start to see it every single day, even though I'm not sending anything in the training channel because I simply don't have time. Mike went 4-0 today and 8-0 in his mental game. And I didn't send out anything because I spent, 30 minutes with Christine and 2.5 hours with Kayla, and my time was up. So please share if you want to share. Please don't discuss the strategies. The only reason why is because I have to teach them to you the way I know you can learn them. And, we've got 3 people in the training group now. John, Trey, and Kayla just started. Whichever one of them gets through all 6 of the strategies, it's not a race, but when you get through all 6, where you know for a fact mechanically you're doing that part correct, then when we go to phase 2 mindset, then they'll be sharing their results. So Mike would say, I'm 4-0 today mathematically. I'm 8-0 with my mindset game, blank, right? John would say, I'm paper trading, and out of all the strategies today, I went 6-0 or 5-2 or whatever. And then when Trey gets there, he'll say that. And then when Kayla gets here, she'll say that. And then we can look and see, it's like, wow, these people are trading the same time I'm trading, or they're trading different times, and what's their results? Because at the end of the day, it's all about all of us helping each other, right? Like I don't trade the Asian session at all, and I know Jesus trades the Asian session. So if someone else wants to trade the Asian session, it's nice to know that somebody that knows the exact same 4 steps that you know is doing it, but then understand that their mindset about that trade is going to be different. Maybe one of you is paper trading, the other one's got a $10,000 account. That's 2 completely different mindsets, but the 4 steps is the same. So we used to have a training channel to where I try to get people to discuss this, but everybody's different. So if you can share as much as you want, as long as you're not talking about strategies, and let me do that privately with each individual student. That's great. So hope that clears it up. Today I went 0-0. That's 100% win rate, right? I'm 4-0 in June. I finished up May strong. Before that, with April was strong, March was strong. So we've had a strong run, very high win percentage. All trades are transparent. That's in the training channel. And then I'm just hoping you can catch some too. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be out of the office in the morning, but I'll be back tomorrow afternoon. Peace.